Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the Iman Gadzhi Scribble or Wavy edit effects in After Effects. So first you can just add the clips that you want to edit into After Effects like this, and you can click on the clip in here and make sure that it's already pre-composed. Here you can just click on effects and preset and search for the turbulence effects in here. Okay, this one's right here. You can add it to the clip and you can see now it's a little it's become wavy, and you can see the results here. Okay, and if you want to, you can change adjust the amount in here. I'm going to change the amount into around 20, and I think it's I'm going to just go with 25. And after this, you can change the evolutions in here. You can go to put the playhead at the start and add a keyframe here at the evolution and adjust it to around I'm going to just leave the just go to the end first. Okay, this one's the here, for example, add another keyframes in here. Sorry, I'm going to add a keyframe in here and adjust it to around 10. Sorry, and go to the first. So you can change it how you like it, but I set at the first here to 10 and at the end into -20, and this is the preview. So that's how you can create the wavy or scribble effect in After Effects. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.